So hi, hello guys, good morning. This is me Prithviraj and you are watching RRPC VLOGS. So guys, here is my Royal Enfield after the crash. There are no mirrors. I need to put them. Only one mirror is left. Another one is broken. And so today I'll be going to KR Puram due to some work. I have some work over there. We'll be heading over to KR Puram. I'll show you guys what happened to my bike very soon, around all the damages have been done. Of course it's not working. So guys, today is Sunday, so let's see how the traffic, and I'll be heading over to KR Puram. I told you I'll have some work over there. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you will never miss an update. It's been since like 2 months since I had that accident. So no, I still did not make so many repairs, just like the mirrors and the seat. It will be done soon. I need a minimum of 4,000. So guys, I'll meet you soon, just after my work. Hi, hello guys. Good evening. It's almost end of Sunday. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Never miss another update. And follow my Instagram at RRPC VLOGS. So guys, as I didn't explain in the morning what happened to my bike just before 2 months. So now I can explain, I think. I have some time. See, as you see here, there's a scratch, and even here there's a scratch. The reason for the scratches are before 2 months I had an accident. I had met with an accident where I fell in the road, and due to there is no crash guard there was no crash guard on this bike, so my bike fell over to the right side, and I broke the headlight, some scratches on the tank, some scratches on the toolbox. I had to do some reworks in the front. Even the side lock was not operating properly. I spent somewhere around 10,000. I had given the bike to the service station. They made it right. Even now there are some issues where I need to resolve those things. One thing is I need to put a mirror. I have another mirror which is good. I just need one mirror. And I need to change the seat. The whole set. The seat is not proper. The welds are cut off under the seat. Now the seat is just having a support with the springs. That's it. Nothing else. Managing to ride it. How tall is that guy? Sitting in the back side. I wonder if he must be 7 feet tall. Fuck, man. Weird car. That's an extra addition where tall people can sit inside, without touching the roof. So screwed. This was the biggest accident ever, where I had a scratch on the logo and did some work on the suspension part. And just after the crash, the battery was down. I really didn't change it anything. 3 years ago I got a battery life of 3.5 years, which is very good. So only I'm not able to guess the fuel right now. Even I don't know how much fuel is in the bike. From morning I am traveling somewhere around 50 kilometers. Red. Yes. Please follow the rules and regulations, guys. It's very important. And whenever you go for a long drive or a ride, just wear some safety measures. Take care of those safety measures. Inspect your bike for the brakes and other things, engine oil, so that you won't break down in the middle of the road. On the time of the accident, the helmet and the gloves helped me for no injuries. As you can see, my gloves are torn due to the accident, and my helmet visor is loose. It's Sunday, not bad actually. This is a regular traffic on Sunday also. Sorry guys, my voice is not clear because this Hero GoPro 4 has some issues with the mic. Fuck, man. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6? Yes, 6. Oh, holy shit! Yeah, this really is a dirty multitude. 6 members! Sorry man, it's a single seat ride. So guys, bye bye, see you soon.